Okay, so I'm trying to clean off the excess garnet stone dust combo, and I'm not sure I'm so happy with it. I don't know. We're just gonna have to see how this dries. Does it dry really hard and then I can sweep off the rest of the stones? I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if I should have, I would have been tempted to concrete them right in, but this is outdoors. There's no pad or here or anything. So I would expect it's going to flex it quite a bit. But, I mean, it's not bad the way it is. It's got to dry now. And maybe I can sweep them off some tomorrow. Maybe after a day of drying. I'm just not sure how it's going to turn out. But it seems like there's too much dirt in it. The garnet is reddish, but there's a lot of brown in there that washes out when I do it. So I'm not sure what that's from. I know it's not in the garnet originally, and you wouldn't think it'd be a part of the stone cutting process, but yeah, for some reason it's there. Okay, let's see how this turns out. Give it some drying time. See how hard it gets, and hope it gets pretty hard so that I can sweep the rest of the stone off and it looks great. Okay, just wanted to give you an update. Not so sure I would do this again, but we're not done yet, so let's see how this turns out.